Hi, this is Mark. This is English Conversation Practice.
You don't need. We have. You don't need to swim. We have a kayak. You don't need a compass. We have a map. You don't need a radio. We have a guitar. You don't need a torch. We have a flashlight. You don't need a tent. We have a cabin. You don't need a parachute. We have a balloon. You don't need a match. We have a lighter. You don't need a knife. We have an axe. You don't need to walk. We have an off-road vehicle. You don't need a car. There are no roads. Extension ought to. We ought to go bowling. We ought to bring our passport. We ought to take a taxi. We ought to have a drink. We ought to relax. We ought to grab a bite. We ought to put on sunblock. We ought to go up. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe, and please ring that bell to get all of my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for flashcards and worksheets, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, take it easy. Bye.